More tilapias will be swimming in Laguna's Sampaloc Lake, thanks to San Pablo City Councilor Karla Adajar. Adajar led a committee hearing institutionalizing the agri-fish livelihood program in the city. To celebrate the Tilapia Festival, the Lady Councilor distributed 50,000 tilapia fingerlings for fisher folk. She also did 50,000 lake seeding in Sampaloc Lake. People fishing around the lake will surely be happy. According to Adajar, Mayor Trina Firmalo-Fabic of Odiongan, Romblon inspired her to do this.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.